come down here anytime, Tuesday and Thursday, 3 to 6, get these books signed, or you can come over here, right here. You can get any of these titles over here anytime of the day, man. We got books from 1 for 15, 2 for 25, some under $10. Get your Dynasty 1, Dynasty 2. You can get Trina. We got all other hot books. We got my man Jason Poole, Victoria's Secret. Don't forget that. Free Jason Poole all day. You can get my man Jason Poole other book. We got Larceny right here. Boom, this one, this first book, hot book, street book, all DC stuff. Once again, man, this is Young Williams. I'm out here on the grind. Hellraiser Honeys 1, Hellraiser Honeys 2. DC book,